4. 1. Oh, you're skipping this one. So 1, 2. What is it? 3. 4. Okay. Do you need help? You got it! Today we are going to be showing you tag bags and how we teach math with the tag bags, as well as some other math activities. You guys like these videos when I show you how I teach Naomi. That's what you're telling me with the algorithm, so we're just going to keep going at it. So if you have anything, ideas, suggestions, or if you just like something that we're doing or you learned something new, find this helpful, leave me a comment in the section below. I'll keep doing these until you guys get bored. So go ahead and subscribe, click on the bell notification, thumbs up if you like this, and I'm just gonna get started. So these are tag bags, and I'm gonna use them to teach math. So each of them have numbers on it. Primary colors have 1 through 4, and secondary colors 6 through 10. It has a little thing that it comes with, and there's lots of fun games to do. So let's go. We're gonna start with, what color is this? It's not green. Say, yeah. Yellow. Yeah, look at me. Yellow. Yellow. La. Go la 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 la. La. Get the tongue in. La la la. Yellow. We're gonna keep trying that. Yellow. So I want to do one of the games. All of them in here. Mommy's gonna sing because you like music, don't you? Yeah. Okay, so can you sit down properly? Thank you. Where are blue bags? Where are blue bags? Look and see. Look and see. If you find a blue bag, if you find a blue bag, give it to me. Thank you, give it to me. Where's it? Is there any more blue bags? Nope, that's it. What color is this? Red. Let's find the blue bags. Let's find the blue bags. Look and see. Look and see. If you find a blue bag, if you find it, that's not blue, give it to me. Where's blue? Give it to me. I bet you Hannah would love to have a turn. Do you want to look for a blue bag? We're going to get Hannah involved. Sometimes I get siblings involved just to kind of help model. Do you want to come help? No. She's coming? All right. Where is the blue bag? Where is the blue? Oh, these are our rows. Find one in here. Where is the, sing it with me. Where is the blue bag? Where is the blue bag? Look and see. Look and see. Oh, she wants you to sit. If you find a blue bag, if you find a blue bag, give it to me. Well, we got this. Sister's not into this game today. Come on, it's okay. She's going to work on her handwriting right now. We can play with Hannah when we're done. You come sit down. Usually Hannah, she's just really into handwriting today. Where's the blue bags? Blue. Where's the blue? No, that's yellow. As you may have noticed, when she gets overwhelmed with an activity or she just doesn't want to do it, she will get off task. Now, she does this many ways. One, she will ask why over and over again. Red. Nope, we're not going to open the red right now. I want the blue bags. Where's the blue bags? She will also try to change the activity we are doing, or she just may try to control the situation. And sometimes what she'll do is she will give me the wrong answer purposefully because she just doesn't want to do it anymore. And that's, because she doesn't want to do it anymore, but also because she may be fatigued or it's too hard. There's multiple reasons. I just keep going. I ignore her sometimes. Sometimes I'll redirect her. And when I usually redirect her, especially towards the beginning of the activity, she will get back on task. Now, towards the end of the activity, the redirection doesn't work as well. So then we do try some bribery. And we tell her how many more she has left. And with that, we usually are able to get her, I'm able to get her back on task and finished. Go ahead. We're going to do all this in a second. Snap. Can you find the last blue bag? Where's the last blue bag? Good job. Okay, I'm going to put all these away so we're not distracting. Oh, but we're gonna open up the blue bags and put them in order. So which one do you want to do first? Which one do you want to... Which one do you want to do first? That one? Okay, can you open it? What's inside? That's a 1, a number 1. Can you want to show the camera? Okay, 1. Okay, but we're gonna open it up. We're gonna open it up like this, and we're gonna put it at the top. Can you put it at the top? Okay, so let's turn it around, So the dot is right there. There's 1 dot. Can you point to the dot? Dot. There's only 1 dot. Now, let's see what number we can find next. Keep it here. Okay, you wanna do that one next? Can you open it? I love the little buckle. Then you gotta pinch. And then you gotta hold it with this hand. Nope, you're gonna pinch. And obviously this is one of the most challenging ones. I can barely get these open, but then again, it's made for little hands. Pinch. It's not easy, but we can do it. Did I do it? I'll let you, there's 2 more. You'll definitely get a shot. Ooh, what number's in here? What is that? 5. Can you count the dots? Ready? 2. Oh, we skipped. You said 3, but let's try again. 1, 2. What's this one?
No.
Well, let's try again. Ready? Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 5. Now 5 is the last number. We're gonna put it down at the bottom. Okay, let's put it down at the bottom. Well, we need room, so we'll bring it up a little bit. All right, let's pick another bag. Yeah. No. You're gonna get the easy one. Good job. What number is this?
No.
She's gonna make sure you're gonna see it. No, but you got it right this time. See, look, see? Can you trace the 2 like this? So count the dots, ready? 1, 2. So we've got, look, 1, 2. So we're gonna push this. Good job. Now push. Yeah. Now can you push up? So we have, look, 1, 2. Now let's try a new one. I'm gonna help. Okay, this one's tough. Pinch. I know you have to push really hard, but you'll get this. Look at that. Did it hurt? I'm sorry. It is a little hard. What number? What number is that? 4. 1. Oh, you're skipping this one. So 1, 2. What is it? 3. 4. Okay, let's see. All right, let's do one more. Where we're gonna keep it open over here. We're gonna keep the 5 open. So what number do you think this is? Push, push.
Ow.
But you did it. You're getting better. We're gonna keep practicing. 3. 1, 2. Good job. Where does 3 go? We've got 1, 2.
No.
Open it up. We're gonna put it in a row. Okay, now push it up, push it up. Push. Good job. And then this is, what number is that? 4.
5.
Good job. So let's count. Ready? 1. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Open bags, point and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. How many do you see? Are you ready to close them? Let's close. Close. You're better at closing than opening, but I know you can do this. Push. Do you need help?
Yeah.
You got it! That's one bag. Did you get it? I just have them down here. You got this one. Good job. Good job. Now these are kind of hard to... Go ahead, you got this. So it goes this way, and you push it down. Did your OT show you how to do this yet? That is a tricky one. You have to kind of push this way. This one's easy to open, but hard to close. Or you know what you can do. Take your whole hand and... There we go.
Ta-da!
Do you want to show them how good you are at drawing your 5? All right, let's do 5. She actually did this one by herself the other day. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit. Uh-oh. Did it bite his finger? Oh, he got a Band-Aid. Do you want a Band-Aid? Okay, after you color your 5, draw your 5. Oh, no. This is really important. He got a Band-Aid. Okay, so let's do, we're not gonna get it yet. Let's do our number 5 first. You do it by yourself. So start at the top, down. Oh, I know, we messed up. Try again. Down, okay, do a curve. Good trying. Zip. Okay, let's try red. I'm gonna flip it over so you can see the right way to do it. Ready? Down, curve, zip. And she's doing 75% here.
No.
And you wanna color? Let's pinch properly. We're working on this. Yeah. The pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we're gonna, it's kind of like an O, but you do slides. So let's go slide, 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 slide. Very good. Slide, slide. And see, all I'm doing is guiding her, because if not, she's gonna go off the page. She's not knowing when to like stop. Oh, let's do another pentagon. She knows how to push, but she doesn't know how to stop it.
Happy?
Yeah. All right, let's go down. I'm gonna let you do it. So we're gonna slide, curve, zip. Now I do like to follow through with a song, and we've been doing a lot of Jack Hartman lately, because he really touches on some really good points. She's gonna go show Daddy. She shows Daddy everything. I'm gonna go ahead and link Jack Hartman in the description box below. I also use Learning Without Tears, their music as well. So that's it. It's like a quick little show you how we do some math, and let me know how you like this. And I will see you next week in our next video. Bye.